Welcome to today's tutorial on creating anime-style YouTube profile pictures using Leonardo AI. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps from start to finish, so you can personalize your channel with a unique avatar. Let's dive in. Step 1. First, open your web browser and go to ideogram.ai. This is the platform we'll use to generate our profile avatar. Step 2. Sign in or create an account. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign in or create a new account on ideogram.ai. Step 3. Here, you'll be prompted to enter details for your avatar. You might also have options to add a brief description or keywords related to your channel. After you've provided all necessary details and made your style choices, click on the Generate button. The AI will process your inputs and create a profile avatar based on your specifications. This may take a few moments. Step 4. Once the avatar is generated, click on the Download button to save the image to your device. Let's try another prompt. Click on Delete Prompt and copy next prompt. Do this thing over and over again